YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Down914 here to bring you another sneaker review. So today is it's not an unboxing, but I did grab this pair from Foot Locker, and I'll get into that. But we're going over the Kobe draft pick. I don't know which colorway I got in this bag, so we're gonna go ahead and reveal that together. And keep in mind, I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video as well. This is part 1. This is a pair I got from Foot Locker. Part 2, I got 3 pairs coming from Nike. So we're gonna do all 3 pairs in part 2 of this series. So let's see what colorways I do end up copping. So before we get started, I don't wanna waste no more clock. Let's go ahead and hop into the review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you in the fits and kicks, you're in the right place. All my OGs, welcome back to the channel. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into this review. It's funny because I forgot to reserve or confirm my reservation on that Thursday last week for a pair in Foot Locker, and I thought I was just out of luck. So that Friday I was like, all right, I just got to try on sneakers. So lo and behold, I hit on 3 pairs on sneakers, but they didn't sell out right away. So they restocked. They kept restocking. So right now on sneakers, I think they got sizes from like 8 to like 9, 9.5, maybe 7 to 9.5, 9. So they are, selling out, but the catch is you don't know which colorway you're going to get. So we're going to go over that in a few, and I'll put the percentages up on the screen so you can see what's your best chance of copping. So that's the fun of this whole thing. You know what I mean? I'm glad Nike did something like this. Is unique, and it kind of got me excited just to see what I got. It's like open Pokemon cards or something like that. So let's go ahead and get into the review again. So damn, I missed that whole thing. So basically, I called Foot Locker. I should have called on Friday, but I called Saturday morning because I'm like, I really don't want to wait till next week to kind of reveal a pair to you guys. I feel like, it's good content, and, it's kind of exciting to see which pair each person got. So I called them on Saturday morning, and they said, yeah, we got pairs available, so you can come in and grab them. She said, in fact, if you would have called Friday, like I said, Foot Locker is starting to do first, they putting aside pairs for first come, first serve, and then they're putting pairs aside for the raffle. So that's what they're doing going forward on all releases. So just go and stand in line. You don't have to wait till after 3 o'clock for people not to pick up their pairs. You can call, and they're starting to separate some for first come, first serve, and some for raffle. So that's what she said. She got a bunch for first come, first serve. So you can come in and grab your pair. So I said, all right, cool. And that's what I did. So I got this pair from Foot Locker. See anything? Oh yeah. So this is my Foot Locker receipt. So it's funny because they put this on the sale. Oh, and if you're looking for pairs, it's Christiana Mall here. If you're in the not Wilmington, but if you're in the Newark, Delaware area, it's Christiana Mall is where you can call and see if they got pairs available and go in to see. So they put this red stamp on here. All sales are final on this, so you can't return this pair. So if you do cop, you got to keep, because it is zipped up, and it's supposed to be like that. So if you grab a pair, remember, you can't take it back. Comes in a classic Kobe gold Mamba box with the snake scales and the gold Kobe on the front. Here's the size label right here. All right, so that does read Kobe. Is this a 4? Yeah, I think these are 4s. Yeah, Kobe 4 Protro multicolor. So you don't know which pair you get, it's gonna say multicolor. Size 10.5. I wear a size of 10.5 in these Kobe. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So this is the top of the lid, nothing really on the top of the lid. This is how your bag should come in, your box. That's how it should look. All zipped up, ready to be opened. And on the back, right here, on the sides, you got, all the teams that passed on Kobe. And that's how your baggage should come. Here's the inside of the other side of the box. Really nothing going on outside. So that's how your box should come. And yeah, before we go and open it, let me just read to you real quick what this release is all about. So I'll put it up on the screen as well, you can read along. So, inspired by Kobe's pro journey that began in 1996, the Kobe 4 Protro draft pick is available in 1 of 14 colorways as part of a mystery drop. 13 start in a white wear-away upper, and every rep works to uncover the primary team color of those who missed on a legend. Stitched accents and sock liner details round out each team color scheme. The 14th stand alone, fully revealed in bold purple and gold for the Forever franchise that got it right. So basically, the 14th pair, that's the Laker colorway, and that's not really a wear away or anything. It's just a solid color. And let's see if I can find a picture and show you that one. That's the one that's the most limited, is that colorway. So if you got that colorway, you know, then you make it move. So let's go ahead and open this, man. It's killing me with anticipation. Here's the got a black Kobe sign on the gold bag, and on the back it's just got warning labels and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and crack it open. Okay, peel it right there. Get the seal. Okay, cool. All right, this is what it looks like inside. Let's go ahead and grab the shoes. Cool. So which pair did I get? Purple laces, red. Is this the Toronto Raptors? All right, so let me see here. Kobe Raw, this is dope, man. My shoestrings is crazy though right now. But I think I got the Toronto Raptors pair. I think that's what this is. So then again, yeah, I'm not sure, but we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into it. So that's the unveiling of the pair. So that's pretty cool, man. I like how they did this overall. It's dope. You put this bag down. Yeah, so I did get the Toronto Raptors colorway. So here's what they look like. Got the Kobe signature right there on the back heel. On the left shoe, you got 24. Medial side and lateral side, you got the red swoosh outlining. You got a red Mamba sign right there on the tongue. It's fire. And then in the inside on the back of the tongue, you got 13th pick Mamba sign and Kobe Bryant stitch right here on the back. You can see that. That's fire. Okay, you got a mesh tongue, and it's basically, you know, the Kobe 4, but you know, it's all leather. So this whole upper of the shoe is a wear away upper. And you can take some type of, I don't know what they were putting, I don't know if it's alcohol or what. You can put it on a rag and kind of wear away the colorway as you want. You can style it how you want, but yeah, these lace, oh yeah, so the lace eyelets right here is that Toronto Raptors, that purple color Toronto Raptors. So is the 24 and the Kobe. On the outsole, you got your carbon fiber right here. Outsole is like a translucent, semi-translucent outsole on the bottom of the shoe. And then on the left pair is where you get your lace bag. So you got that purple Toronto Raptors lace bag with the black Nike on it. On the back of this one, it has 1996 draft right here on the back of this tongue. Same upper as far as like the colorway, the red swoosh, red Mamba sign on the tongue. Nothing really different about that. Same outsole. Now let's look at the insole. The insoles, okay, yeah. Oh, white laces. It doesn't come with extra spare of laces or anything like that. Okay, cool. Okay, gotcha. So on the left shoe, you have the number 2. On the left shoe, it looks like a lottery ball with your size and tag. You got a purple insole. And I think what that was, let me see here. It has 13. I don't know if the Raptors had the number 2 lottery ball pick. I'm not sure what happened there. I'm not sure what that is, but I mean, that's got to be what it is. I don't know if they traded down or what. But on the left shoe, the right shoe has 24. On the left shoe is number 8. It's fire. Yeah, these are these are nice, man. So that's the difference in here, and then the purple insole with the Mamba sign in the left shoe. Or sorry, the right shoe. And that's what's different between the insoles. So that's fire, man. Yeah. So I don't think I'm gonna put these on feet. You know, I just wanted to reveal what I got, like which pair. And you know, comment in the comment section down below. How many pairs did you go for? Like, are you feeling how they dropped this release? Is this unique? You know, I dig it, man. It's pretty cool. I dig how they did it, man. This is a nice, it's clean pair. Actually, you can keep it like this, or I mean, you can wear it away. And I'm pretty sure, let me see here. If I look on the back of this bag here, let's see, Toronto Raptors, Toronto, yeah. Okay, so yes, Toronto Raptors did have the second overall pick because they're the second one on here. I think Philadelphia had the first pick that year, and I'm pretty sure they chose Allen Iverson and Toronto Raptors. So the number 13 on the back of here is just, I guess, representing the 13 teams that picked. These are one of the 13 teams that picked before the Lakers snatched Kobe up. You know, and really, the Charlotte Hornets grabbed him, but then they traded it to the Lakers. So, yeah. And if you wear away the upper, that's what it looks like. You see right here, right there. That's what the Toronto Raptors colorway looks like if you wear away the upper. Hopefully that's coming in clear and you can see that, but it's an all purple upper. That's dope. All right, cool. Yeah, this is dope, man. So like I said, this is part one of the series. I got 3 more pair coming from Nike next week, and the week coming up. So stay tuned for that. Click on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop that video, so you can see that and see, you know, what other colorways did I get, and you know, we're gonna go from there. But yeah, this is a dope release, man. I like this, man. Am I gonna keep all 4 of them? Probably not, but I think it's dope to go ahead and open the bag and see what you got, man. It's pretty cool. So comment in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this release from Nike? Did you cop your pair, and how many did you cop, and what colors did you get? With that being said, stay tuned to the next video, the next part 2 of this draft day Kobe's unboxing, unveiling, and I appreciate all the support. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and until the next unboxing, unveiling, I'm out.